Welcome to McDonald's Social Media Marketing Strategy in the AIGC Era, presented as part of the case study series by Skilled MBA. This case explores how McDonald's China is using AIGC, artificial intelligence generated content, to transform its digital marketing strategy. With a focus on content innovation, AI-driven insights, and influencer matching, McDonald's is redefining how global brands engage consumers in fast-evolving digital markets. As a global fast food leader, McDonald's operates in a dynamic Chinese market shaped by digital transformation and mobile-first consumers. Since 2016, McDonald's China has partnered with Target Social, integrating AI into its marketing infrastructure to extract consumer insights, generate and optimize content, match influencers, drive real-time campaign decisions. The result? A new marketing model combining AI efficiency with brand storytelling. There are 4 key concepts that define McDonald's AI-powered strategy. 1. AIGC, using AI to generate content, personalize experiences, and scale campaigns. 2. Circle breaking, creating content that reaches beyond a brand's core followers to tap new audiences. 3. Big data analytics, extracting trends, preferences, and behavioral insights. Or influencer selection algorithms, AI-based systems that choose optimal influencers for specific campaign goals. Together, these tools are transforming McDonald's into a data-driven, engagement-focused brand. McDonald's is solving for 4 interrelated strategic challenges. Strategic balance, aligning long-term brand growth with short-term sales. Circle-breaking content, reaching untapped audiences. AI-generated insights, using machine learning to optimize decisions.
Brand messaging management, staying consistent across decentralized digital ecosystems.
The central question: how can McDonald's use AIGC to scale brand relevance while maintaining creative authenticity? McDonald's faces several key dilemmas. Niche to mainstream. Should it continue circle breaking to broaden reach? Short-term versus long-term goals. How can sales-focused campaigns also support brand building? Influencer selection. Can AI-based matching improve both authenticity and efficiency? AI investment. Should the brand deepen its AI infrastructure, despite unpredictable long-term outcomes? These questions go beyond marketing. They touch on brand identity, ethics, and scalability. This case provides deep learning value across 5 areas. AI and big data in marketing. Understand how technology drives targeting, personalization, and content design. AIGC and brand narratives. Explore how brands use AI to tell compelling stories. Short-term versus long-term value. Examine marketing trade-offs. Localized global strategy. Analyze adaptation to local digital culture. Ethical implications. Evaluate data usage, algorithm bias, and creative responsibility. Here's how McDonald's breaks out of content echo chambers. Identify niche content. Find emerging formats with viral potential. Transform and adapt. Repackage content to appeal to broader audiences. Amplify strategically. Use AI-selected influencers to boost reach. Measure and optimize. Track KPIs and adjust in real time. This process enables McDonald's to scale relevance in a fragmented, fast-moving market. To assess McDonald's strategy, we apply 4 analytical tools. STP framework, repositioning for China's Gen Z and millennials. AIDA model, measuring attention, interest, desire, and action. Data-driven funnel, AI-optimized consumer journey. Balanced scorecard, tracking customer, innovation, and financial metrics. These frameworks ensure that brand performance aligns with business goals. Traditional influencer marketing is labor-intensive and hit or miss. McDonald's approach flips the model. AI matching, based on audience overlap and content alignment. Predictive analytics, forecasts. Performance before a campaign launches. Real-time optimization. AI refines targeting mid-campaign. Authenticity focus, prioritizes brand voice and tone over pure reach. The result: higher efficiency, stronger engagement, and tighter brand control. McDonald's AIGC-driven strategy is delivering results. By 40% in brand recall, plus 35% in social engagement, plus 25% in ROI on campaigns, 30% in time to market, By using AI to match influencers, adapt content, and monitor campaigns in real time, McDonald's has become faster, more relevant, and more impactful in its marketing. But success brings new challenges. Authenticity concerns. Can AI content truly reflect the brand's voice? Ethical boundaries. How is consumer data used and protected? Over-automation risks. What happens when human creativity is replaced? Cultural sensitivity. Can AI detect and respect local nuances? Brand consistency. How does McDonald's unify messaging across diverse platforms? Navigating these challenges is key to sustainable AIGC success. AI is powerful, but not without limitations. Creativity constraints. AI can't replicate the spontaneity of human ideas. Algorithm bias. AI may reinforce harmful patterns or limit diversity. Over-reliance risk. Without backup strategies, platform or AI failure could disrupt performance. Leaders must blend AI precision with human ingenuity to unlock full creative potential. McDonald's must balance global brand identity, local cultural resonance, AI content optimization. Solutions include clear brand guardrails, cross-functional teams, global plus local, AI training on localized datasets. Consistency across content and channels is key, especially in a decentralized digital landscape. Can McDonald's replicate this success worldwide? Supporting factors. Universal need for speed and personalization. Global rise of influencer marketing. Shared pressure to balance brand equity and ROI. Barriers. Different platforms and regulations. Cultural variations in AI acceptance. Infrastructure gaps in some regions. Localization is critical, but the core AIGC engine is globally transferable. McDonald's case offers 4 forward-looking lessons. 1. Balance technology and humanity. AI should enhance, not replace, creative storytelling. 2. Evolve with digital ecosystems. Stay flexible. Platforms and behaviors will keep shifting. 3. Prioritize ethics and trust. Responsible data use and transparent AI will define brand leadership. 4. Integrate global and local thinking. Standardize the core. Localize the message. Thank you for exploring McDonald's social media marketing strategy in the AIGC era as part of the case study series by Skilled MBA. This case illustrates how digital transformation is not just about adopting tools. It's about reimagining brand storytelling, operational efficiency, and market relevance in a tech-driven world. We hope this case empowers you to think critically about marketing strategy, AI integration, and the evolving role of creativity in the algorithmic age.